This is the only omelette recipe you need. Period. Throw the others out. Today, I'm inviting you to join me for a culinary classic at its absolute best. We're going to whip up a delicious and aromatic mushroom omelette, loaded with some extra goodies. It's the perfect way to get your day started or to have a light and satisfying lunch. So, let's get cooking. Here's all you're going to need. First, slice your mushrooms up. Heat up some butter in a pan and sauté the mushrooms until they get nice and golden brown. Then, add your diced onion and cook it until it's translucent. Now, toss in your diced bell pepper and sauté it for another moment. In a bowl, energetically whisk your eggs with the milk, salt, and pepper. If you're using them, add your diced ham and cheese and give it a good mix. Now, add ingredients from the pan right into the egg mixture and stir it all together. In the same pan, heat up a little more butter, making sure it coats the entire surface. Pour in the egg mixture with all the fillings. Turn the heat down to low, cover the pan with a lid, and let it cook until the eggs are set. You can also cook it uncovered if you prefer. To finish it off, just sprinkle on some chopped chives. Thank you so much for your time. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, I'd love it if you'd leave a like or a comment below. And to make sure you don't miss any future videos, I'd encourage you to subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your meal, and I'll see you next time.